this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Rocket League with two players on the exact same TV using split screen, quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Now, Rocket League actually supports full screen completely, and you can actually play with up to 4 players in the same television or monitor. To get started, begin by grabbing your second controller, and of course you can keep putting this on all the way up until like 4. But if you're on PlayStation or Xbox, just press the PlayStation button or the Xbox button and log into a second user account. On PC, you'll simply just assign the controller whenever prompted. But on the second account, once it's signed in, look at the bottom of Rocket League's main menu and you're going to see a prompt saying something like press options to join or press start to join. Just press the button on the second controller and the player will instantly join your session. That means you are now officially in split screen mode. You don't have to like create a party to play locally, but if you do want to play online together, you can create a party from the main menu and queue up 4 matches as a team. If you do want to adjust how split screen does look, make sure that you do go into your settings, and in the gameplay section right here, the first setting is this split screen layout. You could change it from vertical and horizontal. However, most people end up playing on vertical. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. You can now play Rocket League with 2 players or even up to 4, all on the same TV. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.